Well, look who we have here, y'all. Damn, no sweater, bro. It's cold as hell outside.
I got it. It's a new lip install day.
Dude. Damn, that's pretty crispy, bro.
Yeah, ain't it?
It's pretty legit. Damn. Well, what's this?
That's the tape that I put on so that when it sits against the body, it's not gonna scratch the body. Dude, I'm tired as hell. I was on Rebirth last night. If you know, you know. Yeah, I was on an all-night bender last night. Yeah, so anyways, yeah, we're this new lip install day. Let's see what the vibes are, you know? But first, coffee. We'll cut to that in 2 seconds.
Recently discovered this place locally next to Duncan's in my house. Vietnamese coffee. If you know, you know. Here it is. If you know, you know.
Yeah, if you know, you know.
Duncan's been hooked on this shit.
Oh, dude, I've been addicted to these guys.
All right, this is how Duncan gets into the crib before the lip. And this is how he's gonna get out of the lip. Hey, that new lip might be lower.
I don't know, we'll find out.
Car's up. We're gonna be installing the Laptorr Style Lip onto Duncan's M3. And if y'all see, he actually wrapped it Laguna Seca and then left the front lip carbon. This is what I want to do when I had the Laptorr lip on the M4, but I got the FRP version because the carbon fiber one was too expensive. And then now you can have it for half the price.
Yeah, got lucky.
But damn, this looks really freaking good.
Doesn't it?
Holy moly.
I was like not expecting it to look as good.
Hey, you gonna shout out who wrapped this?
Yeah, shout out gp.lexus. We'll drop his link right here, but his name is Giovanni. Super nice guy, and he just works on wrapping stuff in his garage, just kind of like we do here, but for wraps. So, good guy.
Ooh, freaking fire. Duncan's, I don't know if this is gonna be lower than the one he currently has, but if you guys saw him going into the driveway, he barely made it without touching. So, we shall see. We're also gonna try to do this. Duncan bought some yellow wrap. I'm not super confident about this right now anymore, but you see that bar in the middle? A lot of people paint it. We're gonna try to wrap it and make it quicker. We might be able to do it, we'll see. Because you can see, obviously, the theme is... You going back to yellow caps?
I don't know. What do you guys think? Drop a comment.
Yellow caps or red caps?
I think the red caps add like a nice contrast to be
Yeah,
honest. And like the yellow caps don't match this yellow, and that always bugged me. But I like that the red matches the interior, which is like if you have the windows down.
That's actually true.
Yeah.
All right, so we're supposed to remove the 8mm underneath afterwards, but check it out. Duncan has no under panels. And if you look closely, my man's scraping all over the place.
Hey, static life is not for everybody.
Look at this. Look at the belly pan. Right here. The thing's all scratched up.
Yeah, brother.
I don't know how you do it, sir.
Easily.
Ugh. If anybody needs work on the BMW, seriously, hit up Duncan.
Hey, it's Duncan here.
And today, we're gonna fuck your BMW up. Oh.
That sounds like Dior.
That sounds like Dior.
What's up, brother?
Wow, I haven't seen these folks in a minute either. Oh my gosh. That's so clean. Honestly, sometimes I was telling Dunk off screen, sometimes I do miss the M4, but I do love the Super 2. It's a tough choice. Hello, sir.
How are you?
How's it going? Hello. Eee, the Costco hoodie.
Come on,
that one's fire.
What's up, brothers?
Tuesday.
Holy crap, look at all these holes.
Hey, I've broken 8 lips, okay? And,
If that extra cut out.
That looks fire, dude.
Holy shit.
God damn.
Hold on, I want this thing to fall, bro. Dude, I like this. This is...
Trendsetter.
That is...
Trendsetter.
So here's a close-up of all the lips Duncan's broken and installed throughout his time with the M3.
Said 9 total.
There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Man, look at all these holes.
For sale 2018 salvage title.
Nut and bolts, so this thing doesn't come off.
It's gonna come off. You've seen his driveway?
Yeah, honestly, it's coming off today. What is that bar called?
Cross brace. That's crazy.
styles everything. Cop, I'll see you soon, boy.
Just remember who you got the purple from.
Yeah. You think you're a hot boy, huh? Think you're a hot boy? Yeah, see me in the streets, boy.
Dude, your car looks so different in the front right now.
Yeah.
Oh my god, that looks so
Coming
good.
from like this angle, like wow. Like it's hard to see like that on how much it sticks out. It's hot.
Yeah, the way you decided to wrap it looks fire.
Ah, damn.
How much it sticks out from the bumper?
Yeah, just
I feel like that's more than an inch.
You know, that's quite a bit.
Yeah.
Sheesh. But I wonder how the clearance.
On the driveway.
yeah, or what?
Only one way to find out.
Pull it up.
Get the step in.
I guess I gotta move then.
The yellow's tough. Good job, Charlie.
Thank you, bro.
Yeah, that yellow is fucking nasty. I don't know if you guys can tell on the camera.
That shit, those corners are so silent.
Ooh, that yellow looks so good with the fucking lights though.
Yeah, he was right on doing the sides. I'm glad we looked at the picture before putting it on.
Ooh,
Yeah, because of,
good shit, Shabs. Damn, that was legit.
yeah, I'm gonna start running around from me, don't worry.
All right, moment of truth. Is he gonna make it out of the driveway, y'all?
Good chance. Good chance.
I think it is.
He definitely has a lot more clearance, but it's out a lot more.
I think Duncan's driver rod is unmatched.
Ain't gonna lie, he does angle pretty good.
Yeah, when it comes to the angle,
God damn. Oh, sorry.
Duncan, it looks so good.
It's gonna scrape a little. God damn. It's gonna scrape a bit. Ooh. Damn, my man's.
Yeah.
Well, I did it again, guys. I left the camera in S&Q mode and I lost so much footage. That's me in my dad outfit. If y'all didn't know, your boy's gonna be a dad in like 3 weeks. But I'm so disappointed. I lost so much good footage of hanging out with my friends, installing the car parts, joking, dancing around, and I didn't even get to catch our initial reaction of putting Duncan's M3 on the floor. I was really sad because it would have made a really good vlog, and I almost didn't put out this one anyways. But I decided, whatever, might as well piece it together, and hopefully you guys still enjoy. Yeah, if you guys watched this far into the video, I appreciate you guys so much. Hopefully next time I don't mess up again, and love you guys. Pray for your boy, because I ain't gonna be getting sleep in a couple weeks, but I'm gonna keep trying to put out these videos. Love you all. Comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.